It's amazing how people be trying to check me. You know what I'm saying? Like on the scriptures or whatever they be trying to check me on. I don't know what they be trying to check me on because you can't check me. Only Jesus could. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate you for trying to tell me that I'm right or tell me that I'm wrong. I really appreciate the ones that tell me that I'm wrong. Huh? Yeah. Because you're not preaching the word at all. Yeah. You know, I might be off. I might not always be politically correct because maybe I'm from the hood. You know what I'm saying? East New York. But I want you to understand something. Yeah? That until you start preaching the gospel and until you start spreading the word and until you start evangelizing and doing the things of the Lord, don't check me. Don't check me. Because what are you doing for Christ? Are you pulling souls? I can't hear. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Okay. Okay, so don't worry about what I'm doing. Because see, I'm serving the Lord.